I'm a beginner and I want to speak English fluently and effortlessly. But there is one thing, I feel fear. I feel nervousness when it comes to talking with people. I think that I can't do. Do you also have the same problem? If you, then this video is only and only for you, my friend. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to cope up with the fear of feeling nervousness and fear of making mistake. See my friend, every beginner they make mistake. Whomsoever you are considering that they are very expert speaker, once they were also beginner. Okay, so how did they get that level? By practicing, by making a lot of mistake. So in your case also, don't worry. If you are making mistake, don't worry. And feeling nervousness, it's obvious. I think when we try to do any new work in our life, then it just happen. Okay, so once you do that work again and again, then I think that nervousness will be also gone. See, when I was a beginner, I had the same problem. And as I told you, whomsoever you consider now that they are very well speaker, once they were also a beginner. Okay, and there is one line which goes like this: every expert once they were beginner. Okay, so same way, okay, you will also become a fluent speaker. But now your condition is not like that. Now you are thinking that I can't learn this language, I can't speak this language. But the situation will not remain the same. It will change. Okay, how? Start taking action. If you start practicing every single day, if you start putting effort from your side, my friend, then you will see that you will not remain same. You will have fluency. But as long as you are just waiting for the expertness, that okay, once I become expert, then I'll start speaking, that moment will never ever come. Okay, so if you are going to make mistake, go speak and make a lot of mistake, and I'm sure that you are going to learn from your mistake. But here is one thing, that if you are not making mistake, or not making mistake, but if you are a beginner and you are not ready to make mistake, then my friend, don't hope for your fluency, don't hope for expertness. Okay, because it will never ever come, to be honest. So I would say that if you are willing to become a fluent speaker, then start from today onwards. Though you are feeling nervousness, just make a call. After that, you will see that you will not have the same amount of nervousness, my friend. Okay, everyone, they go through the same kinds of situation. But what we think, no, I think she or he is unique or expert, only he or she can do. No, they were also going through the same kinds of situation like us. Okay, and see, in my case, was I able to make such videos right from the beginning days? No, I was not. Why? Because I was not so much fluent, and I didn't know how to speak English fluently. But I kept making videos. In my previous videos, you would find a lot of mistake, right? But did I stop there? No. But I used to feel nervousness. Like my first video, I was nervousness and I was feeling what to do. That like when I posted my video, at the time I thought, oh God, what if people watch it and find a lot of mistake? How would I, face? How would I read those comments and all? But see, now I don't have fear. I don't have nervousness. I speak frankly whatever comes in my mind. Similarly, you will also speak. For that, what you have to do? Practice. For that, what you have to do? Take the action. Try to speak whatever comes in your mind. I always say that don't try to become perfect right from your beginning day. Okay? Why? Because it is going to never ever be possible. It will never ever be possible to become excellent since your beginning day. You have to start from the making mistakes, a lot of mistakes. There is another says which I came across today. I was watching one video, and over there was one person and he was explaining, and when I watched that video, that things fascinated me. Okay, why? Because it just hit me somewhere. So there is one famous quotation which I want to share with you, which is said by Henry C. Link. While one person hesitates because he feels he is not superior, the other, he is busy in making mistakes and becoming superior. So this sage teaches us that superiority doesn't come by waiting. You have to take action. You have to do a lot of mistakes. Then you can become a superior. You can become a fluent speaker. But if you think you are going to start speaking this language very, very fluently, right from your beginning day, it is never ever going to be possible. Frankly speaking, it doesn't happen with anyone. So how could it happen with you? Right? It is not going to happen with you also. You have to take the action. If you start speaking, one word, 2 words, sentences, then you will become a fluent speaker, my friend. But I think sitting in your room, you are waiting that, okay, that right moment will come, I will start speaking. No. If you are ready to make mistakes, then I'm sure that you are going to speak this language very fluently. Okay, don't become the person who keeps waiting for the superiority since from their beginning day. No, become the person who is ready to make a lot of mistakes. Then you can become superior. You can become a fluent speaker. Okay, see, if I had not tried to make a lot of videos, I would be not speaking as confidently as I'm speaking right now, right? So if I say myself, no, the day I'll make a perfect video and very good video, only one video, that day I will post. Will it be good for me? No. Then what did I see? Whether I upload videos or not, but I keep practicing. Okay, I keep speaking in front of camera. Why? Because I keep speaking in front of my mobile camera. Why? Because I know that the power of practice. I know that the power of making mistakes. I know that the meaning of learning from our own mistakes. Okay, but if you think that I don't want to make mistake, I just want to learn, I want to become a very fluent speaker without making mistake, without practicing, sorry to say you, it will never ever be possible. So be ready to make mistake. Okay, see, no one gets fluency when they start, but if they keep practicing, one day definitely they will become a fluent speaker. In your case, my friend, today your situation is not good, that you are feeling nervousness, you are feeling a fear, you are feeling fear of making mistake. So many things are going on in your mind. But my friend, think positive also. Think that it's just a language. Everyone is speaking, or many people they are speaking, so I can also speak. Okay? Don't think that they are unique, they are very talented, they are God gifted, I am not. No, don't think. Think that if they can, I can also. Okay, think positive. Have faith in yourself. Okay, the day is not so far when you are also going to speak this language. But how? If you want to become a fluent speaker, what you should do? Be ready to make mistakes. A lot of mistakes. Don't care that whether you are perfect in your beginning day or not. If you are not perfect, no problem. One day you will become a perfect person. One day you will definitely learn how to speak this language. And not only it is applicable for learning this language, but you can apply these things, these formulas in any field. Okay? See, when we join any gym and all, so since our beginning day, we don't try to see a lot of improvement, right, in our body and our body shapes, in our physics, right, in our physics. But once we keep doing, after 1 week, 1 month, 6 months, we see a lot of improvement in our body, right? So similarly, since your beginning day, you can't see anything, you can't see improvement, you will feel nervousness. See, why only you are feeling nervousness when it comes to speaking this language? Why don't you feel nervousness when you join any gym? Do you feel? I think many people, they don't feel, because it's your thought also. You are taking it to, you are thinking that it's just like rocket science. You are thinking that it's very difficult. No, my friend, it's not as difficult as you are thinking. Okay, it's easy. And when it can be very, very easy, you can make it easy. How? By working hard, by practicing every single day. In my case, I was not perfect. Till now, I'm not perfect. I make a lot of mistakes in my videos, but I don't feel nervous. I know that I'm going to learn from my mistakes. And one thing also, it doesn't mean that we'll keep repeating our same mistake. No, we have to learn from our mistakes. Let's suppose you are making mistakes while translating. You don't know how to translate, how to use proper grammar, how to use, V2, V3, V4, like that. So, in talking to one person, if you are making mistake, so make sure that if you are going to talk with some other person, try to work on that one before you start talking. Okay, little bit. And don't worry, because mistakes are common. Everyone, they make mistakes. Even native speaker also, they make mistake. But they don't stop. Okay, they keep continue, like they keep talking. And they don't care that which mistake they are making. But in our case, we are very much judgmental, right? That okay, she's making mistake, he's making mistake. It's okay to rectify someone's. Yeah, I don't say that people are doing bad things. No, it's good, because that's how we will come to know that where we are making mistake, right? But it doesn't mean that we should stop. If someone says to me that Anita, you are making mistake, should I stop making video? Should I stop speaking English? No. What should I do? What's my duty? My duty is to work on the place where I'm making mistake. If it is pronunciation mistake, I'll work on that one. If I'm making grammatical mistake, I'll try to work on that one. I'll glance back that where I made mistake, right? And then that's how I can improve my English. And that's how you can also improve your English. So start speaking. Whatever you know, just speak. Don't wait for the right moment. That friend, no one is perfect since their beginning day, right? And I've seen many people. I think that what is our mistakes we do as a beginner or as a learner, we start comparing with the expert speaker. But how can we forget about their time, that how much time and effort they have given behind learning this language, right? They must have given a lot of time. Some of them, I have heard that they have given decades also, 10 years, 5 years. And in your case, you have just given 1 month, and comparing with the person who has given 10 years and comparing with the person who has given his entire life or her entire life. How it could be possible? It could never ever be possible. That is why don't think or don't work on the impossible things. Okay, what is in your hand? That practice every single day. Be positive, think positive that you can learn this language. It's just a language, nothing more than that, right? And every expert, once they were beginner. Okay, so think about this one. Try to mull over these things, that what if the mistake, what the thing you are doing, why you are not trying to speak. If you keep waiting, my friend, you are just wasting your time. Okay, don't waste your time, my friend. Time is very precious, so don't waste. Try to learn, try to make a lot of mistakes and learn from your own mistakes. And for beginner, as a beginner, it's very hard to understand, right? We think that okay, she is speaking very fluently, that's why she is saying. But my friend, I had the same situation. So therefore, it's your responsibility to think upon it, that okay, I am also going through this kinds of situation. One day I'll also become expert speaker. Don't compare with any expert speaker, okay? Because they have given a lot of time. Don't deny their hard work, okay? Behind their success, they have done a lot of hard work, which you are ignoring, which you are overlooking. Or just focusing on their success, that how fluently they are speaking, how well they are speaking. But why are you forgetting that how much time they have given, how much effort they have put? They have put a lot of effort. Whosoever is speaking this language very fluently. So, if you want to speak this language very fluently, now it's your time. Start speaking, start making mistakes, learn from your own mistakes, keep reading, keep listening, keep writing, whatever you can, just do. And you will see that one day you will also become an expert speaker. One day you will also speak this language fluently and effortlessly. I hope my video is helpful for you. If it is, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.